Hello, my name is Jimmy and welcome to this Mazda CX-30. This is my long-term tester from Mazda Canada. Thank you once again. What I want to do today is increase just some of the safety aspects of this vehicle. Of course, as a family vehicle, it needs to be safe, and Mazda has a whole bunch of safety items on it. I mean, there's the traditional airbags, you got crumple zones, but of course there's a lot of active safety features like radar guided cruise control, lane keep assist, collision mitigation braking, there's also blind spot monitoring. I mean, it has it all. So yes, itself is already very safe, but I want to have one step more. As you know, a lot of new Teslas have what's known as sentry mode. Basically, I'm doing that to this Mazda CX-30 with the help of my friends at Overdrive. If you live here in the lower mainland, you may know of Overdrive. They're good friends of mine, and they're hooking me up with a ThinkWare FA200. So let's go and install it and see exactly what a dashcam can actually do. And just like that, thank you, Stuart, for getting that done very, very quickly. Now I have a ThinkWare FA200 within this vehicle. It is a front and rear dashcam. It is a more entry-level dashcam from ThinkWare, but it doesn't mean it lacks features. I have a front and rear camera. The front is 1080, rear is only 720, but it should be fine for what the needs of, well, this vehicle. It's on a suction cup mount, which means it's just a little bit easier to mount on as well as off this vehicle when I have to return it. And one of the best things about it is it has Wi-Fi. And with Wi-Fi, I can connect this to my phone and get any footage off of it. I don't have to pull the little memory card out of the camera, plug into my computer, and do all that hassle. So it is quite feature rich. But why a dashcam? Why is it needed? Well, a dashcam can be handy for a lot of situations. First of all, this vehicle is going to be parked on the street. And, well, I want to make sure that it's safe. And if anything was to happen, I have evidence. This dashcam continues to record even when the vehicle is parked. There's a parking mode, and if it senses any movement or anything like that, it automatically captures that information. So even throughout the night, it's able to capture any of those moments. And of course, the camera is always recording when I drive, which means no matter what I'm doing, it's always a witness. So if someone says, hey, you jumped out of nowhere and you hit me, well, the video evidence says otherwise. And that's really the main point of a dashcam. It's a piece of equipment that's going to be there to help you record any moments if something was to go wrong. Sure, if everything goes right, you may not need it. But for that one time, it's very, very handy. In any case, thank you so much for watching this video. Like the video if you do. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section down below, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.